Gertrude.
It's a beautiful thing. Let's not pinch my fingers too much. It's a beautiful thing. See?
Yep, she definitely loves you.
She's lovely. I love this. I'm going to get one.
Hey, Gertrude.
Gertrude.
Hey, Gertrude.
Hey, Gertrude. I know.
Gertrude.
I know. Yeah. She's over. I know.
Listen. Oh, she's pissed. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
oh,
whoa.
you're talking to her. Oh. She said you are not allowed to talk to her.
Gertrude, he's my fiance. No, he's...
Oh, come
Gertrude, my fiance.
on. Come on.
Do you
come
get
on,
it, Gertrude?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Be good.
Wow.
Be good.
Oh,
Dr.
Oh.
Doolittle.
oh, are you okay? She says, if I just chew on his Ducati jacket. If I just chew on the screen stripe. Oh, and then his knuckle. Then his knuckle. Hey, Gertrude, can we agree that he's mine? Gertrude. Oh, she's... Look at her.
I love her.
She's a dirty little whore. She's flipping herself upside down for you, babe.
Yeah, she's
Her beak is upside down. Yeah. Gertrude. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. You and we're going to have a thing. Really?
Don't annoy her. Don't annoy her.
Fucking just...
She was fine till you annoyed her.